Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Design and Analysis of Algorithm BTU Model Question Paper 2024 solution. Question number 10a. Illustrate n quints problem using backtracking to solve 4 quints problem. This is a 10-mark question. So what do you mean by n quints problem? Given n into n chessboard, it is required to place all n queens, that is here to take 4 queens on the chessboard such that no 2 queens attack each other. Okay, that is you need to place all the 4 queens into 4 into 4 chessboard such that no 2 queens attack each other. How in the sense, whenever you are placing 2 or more queens, you should not place on the same row, same column or same diagonal. You should not place. Okay. Likewise, you have to place the 4 queens. In 4 into 4 chessboard, every queen, one queen, you have to place in one row. Okay. First row 1 queen, second row 1 queen, third row 1 queen, and fourth row 1 queen. You have to place like that, such that no 2 queens attack each other. That is, you should not place 2 queens on the same row, same column, or same diagonal. Okay, in this way, this is the constraint in this given problem, n into n chessboard. Okay, following this constraint, you have to place all the 4 queens in each row. That is nothing but n queens problem. So, this problem we can able to solve using backtracking technique. So, what do you mean by backtracking? In each level, you have to select only one component. Okay, and try to provide the partial feasible solution. In every step, select one component, try to construct the partial feasible solution. If it is possible to proceed to the next level to provide the feasible solution, you proceed to the next level. Whenever you have reached a dead end, there is no possibility to continue to the next level in the sense, stop there. Backtrack to the previous level. Okay, no need to proceed to the current level. Backtrack to the previous level and try the other possibilities. Okay, that is nothing but backtrack. Every step you need to select only one component and try to construct the partial feasible solution. Okay, if it is legible to proceed to next level, proceed, otherwise stop, backtrack to the previous level. Okay, likewise this procedure continues. N-quints problem is one of the best example to implement backtracking technique. Okay, and if you are implementing this N-quints problem based on these constraints in the sense, there are 2 solutions possible here. The first solution is place the first queen in first row second column and second queen in second row fourth column, third queen in first column, fourth queen in third column. So if we are checking here, the same row, same column, no 2 queens attack each other. Okay, possibility is there. Here also, same row, same column and same diagonal, there is no 2 queens. Here also, same row, same column and the same diagonal, no 2 queens. Okay, here also, same row, same column and same diagonal, no 2 queens. Okay, so this is one feasible solution. And second solution, if you are considering in the sense, first queen you place in first row third column, second queen you place in second row first column, and third queen you place in third row fourth column, fourth queen in fourth row second column. This is second solution. So 2 solutions are possible with this 4 into 4 queen problem. Okay, so now we will construct a state space tree to implement 4 into 4 queen problem. So this is the state space tree we are going to construct. So whenever we are solving the backtracking problems, we need to construct the state space tree. With that state space tree only, we can able to implement backtracking technique efficiently. So initially, consider 4 into 4 chessboard. Okay, so here only you have to place 4 queens such that no 2 queens should be placed in the same row, same column or same diagonal. With this constraint, we need to construct a state space tree. Okay, so initially this is a empty 4 into 4 chessboard. Next step, first step, consider this is S1 and here you are going to place the first queen. Okay, so first queen, place it in the first possible place. That is, here in first row, first column, we are placing the first queen. Okay, this is solution 1. Next, consider the second queen. Second queen, if you are placing in first column, it will attack each other. Second column also, it will attack each other. Okay. So here, first position if you are placing, it is a dead end. And second position if you are placing, this is also a dead end. And third position, we can try. Okay. So third position if you are considering in the sense, first queen you are placing in first possible position. And second queen you are placing in third position. Can you able to understand? If you are placing in second row, first column if you are placing, it will attack each other. Second row, second column if you are placing, it is a diagonal attack. Okay, it will attack each other. Second row, third column if you are placing in the sense, that possibility is there. Okay, and similarly, second row, fourth column also we can able to place. First queen in first row, first column, second queen in second row, third column or fourth column. Okay, this is second queen. And next is third queen if we are considering in the sense, here third queen if you are placing here in first column, it will attack each other. Okay, second column diagonal attack, third column here it's a column attack, and fourth column also it is a dead end. So here first position also you cannot able to place, second position also not possible, third position not possible, fourth position also not possible. So in this case you cannot able to place. Here you can try to place the third queen. In first column it is a column attack, so you cannot able to place. And third row, second column, there is a possibility you can able to place. So first queen in first row, first column, second queen in second row, fourth column, third queen in third row, second column, there is a possibility. And here third queen in third row, third column, it is a diagonal attack, so it is a dead end. Okay, and the fourth place also it is a column attack, it is a dead end, there is no possibility. Next, fourth queen you try to place. So here these and all, it is a dead end, you cannot able to proceed to next level. Okay, if you are proceeding, it won't provide the feasible solution, that is the meaning. Okay, next try to place the fourth queen. If you are placing here in first position, if you are placing in the sense, it is a dead end. Here it is a row attack, here it is a diagonal attack. And second position if you are placing also, here it will attack each other, so it is a dead end. Third position if you are placing, here this is a diagonal attack, so dead end. Fourth position if you are placing, here this is a column attack. Okay, so you cannot able to place. So all four position if you are placing in the sense, it will be a dead end. So proceeding to the next level, it won't provide the feasible solution. We have reached the dead end, so backtrack to the previous step. If you are trying the other possibilities, there is no possibilities here also. If you are checking, there is no possibilities. Backtrack to the previous level. Okay, here also there is no possibility, so backtrack to the previous level. Okay, and try the next possibility. So what is the next possibility? First row, first queen, you have tried placing in first possible position, first row, first column. Next possibility is try to place the first queen in first row, second column. Okay, and check for the possibilities. Next, second queen you try to place with the first column, it is a dead end, it's a diagonal attack. Second column here if you are placing, it is a column attack, so dead end. Third column again it is a diagonal attack, not possible. Okay, second row, fourth column, there is a possibility. So try to place the second queen in second row, fourth column. So place the second queen in second row, fourth column. First queen in first row, second column. Okay, next try to place the third queen. So third queen, if you are placing in the first position, it is possible, you can able to place it. Second position, it is not possible. Third position, here it is a diagonal attack. Fourth position, it is a column attack. So first position, it is possible. So try to place the third queen in third row, first column. There is a possibility to provide feasible solution. And then the fourth queen. If you are placing the fourth queen in fourth row, first column, here it is a column attack. Second column, diagonal attack. Third column, there is a possibility. Okay, and fourth column here also column attack is there. So fourth queen, try to place in fourth row, third column. First queen in first row, second column. Second queen in second row, fourth column. Third queen in third row, first column. Fourth queen in fourth row, third column. Okay, so here fourth queen, this is a dead end. Second position also, it is a dead end. Third position, it is possible. fourth position, it is a dead end. Okay, now we got the feasible solution. This is feasible solution. So here, if you have tried to place the first twin in first row, first column, wherever you are proceeding, you are getting a dead end only. If you are proceeding to this level, in the sense, it won't provide the feasible solution. So here we have backtracked to the previous step and all the way we have backtracked to the 0th level. And then we have tried the possibility that first when we have placed in first row, second column, and we have tried the possibility to get the feasible solution. Similarly, if you are considering the next possible state space tree, that is the first queen, try to place in first row, third column. If you are placing in the sense, you will get one more solution. And if you are constructing the state space tree in each level, it will try to provide one more solution. Okay. First queen in first row, third column. Second queen in second row, first column. Third queen in third row, fourth column. And fourth queen in fourth row, second column. This alternative state space tree for all the levels in the sense, finally you will get this solution. Okay, two solutions are possible for this 4 into 4 twins problem by constructing state space tree using backtracking technique. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.